welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do this cool fidget toy. And you can do it to the other side. Here's the back. But it's pretty easy. Don't think it's really hard. Okay, let's get to it. We're using a yellow origami paper. Okay, we're gonna fold it. Okay, open, fold. Open. Now we're going to do a triangle. Open, turn, fold, and guys, if I fold way too slow, please tell me in the comment section to go a little faster. I don't know how fast you guys want it. Open, I'm gonna put this to the center, like in here. Turn, do the same in the other side. Okay, now we're gonna put this. We're gonna put our finger here, and we're gonna get this up and put it in this line. And when we get it up, we're gonna get to this line, we're gonna fold. That's how you did. We're gonna do it to every single one. Okay, now we're gonna push this into the middle. And we just do it a little bit more good by good. And we're gonna push. Gonna do it a little better. Ta-da! Now we're gonna do it to the other side. And press and do it to the other side. Now we're gonna push. Okay, now we're gonna put this in, we're gonna put this inside. We're gonna get this little hole that we got, open it, stay here, try to squish it, and do a triangle, a square. Funny me. And we're gonna do to the 3 sides. Okay, now the other side. Okay, I'm gonna perfect it a little bit more. Okay, sorry if I got too many time there. Okay, now we're gonna get this here. We're gonna put it in this line right here. Okay, so fold, and we're gonna do it to every single square we did. Pretty easy. That's why the video is titled Easy Origami. So next, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. I will really I really appreciate if you do it. Okay, now we done this. We're gonna get one of these ones. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open it and push this to the line. So and then we're going to do it to the other side. And again, if you get a little bad line, or if you don't, if you're lucky if you don't, it's okay. It's still gonna go good. I think I have 2 years doing this, and I still haven't done. I have 2 years doing origami, and I still don't do it perfect. So it's okay if you don't do it perfect. And it still went good. So guys, if you take your time, you're gonna do a really cool of these fidget toys. So take your time, don't rush. I once rushed and it really actually didn't go good. Okay, last side. Yay, we did it. Now we have to flip it over. I'm gonna put this in the middle, like this. And do the same to all of them. Okay, next thing, last steps. We're gonna open, there's little pockets here. You're gonna open those a little bit. I didn't say a lot. And we're gonna put this in the middle, in here, inside. So like this. Like that, and you're gonna do to all of them. Open the pocket, and then fold. Open, fold, and yeah, do it to every single one. And we did it. Just now you did your fidget toy. High five, you did it. See you in the next video. Bye.